Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust screen brightness of your Google Smart TV. Just like what you see right here. You can see this is darkened and this is 100% brightness. How can you adjust your screen brightness on your Google Smart TV to 100% or whatever percent of your choice? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure we navigate to the Home tab right here. Okay, from Home tab on your Google TV, what you want to do here is to simply come to the setting icon from the top right here. Click on Quick Settings. And the next thing you want to do here is to scroll down and make sure you look for Picture. Click on Picture and then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to Screen Brightness. Click on that. And then here you go. You have screen brightness right here. What you want to do here is to go ahead and hit on OK. And then from here, you can use your remote control to adjust the brightness, either to turn down brightness or adjust to a kind of a percentage of your choice, as the case may be. It's that simple. Or better still, you can put it in 100%. Everything depends on how you want to adjust your screen brightness of your Google TV. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Google TV settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.